Hi, and welcome to this episode of Spilling the Coffee. My name's Azalea.
I'm Taylor.
And today we're going to talk about small ways that you're already preparing for your career.
One of the ways that you're already preparing for your career is if you're a social butterfly. Having that confidence and being able to talk to people is very important and is very valued when you are going into a job interview. You want to make sure that they know your personality.
Yeah, for sure. And then later on, once you're already hired and you're in the work space, it's really good to be able to find common ground. So if you're able to have conversations with just about anyone, it means you're adaptable. It means you're willing to compromise, you're willing to look at other people's sides. So that'll be really good for negotiations, it'll be good for thinking outside the box, it'll be good for conflict resolution, which are all really, really, really important things that will absolutely come up when you're working. Another way that you're already preparing for your career is if you're really organized. If planning is your thing, like making lists, all of that, it means that you're an organizer, which is an amazing skill to have.
Being organized and being a planner is super important when you first start out at your job because you want to be able to plan everything ahead.
So, a manager isn't going to take it kindly when you tell them, I'm sorry I didn't do that because it slipped through the crack. But if you're organized and you're able to keep all your tasks at hand, you have less of a chance of that happening to you, which means you're always going to be ahead of the curve. And when you kind of have deadlines and there's always movement and constant go, 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 you really, really need that. It's an incredibly valuable skill.
Another way that you're probably already preparing for your career is if you're resilient. You always have setbacks in your job or in life, and being able to bounce back from that is super important.
Yeah, and especially at work, you're gonna have setbacks. That's just kind of like rule of thumb when it comes to employment. You will absolutely have setbacks at any given time, and it's important to be able to, if you fall down, get back up again.
Being resilient will help you in the future because you'll be able to learn from your mistakes and keep going.
Exactly. And that was this episode of Spilling the Coffee. We'll see you guys next time.